Hello everyone, how are you? I hope all of you are taking good care of yourself. So students, in our previous video we had just discussed about the properties and terms of multiplication and division. But in order to proceeding our chapter number 4, today we are going to learn about the multiplication of large number. Remember one thing, tables are very important aspects of multiplication and division. So all of you should be perfect in your table. Okay, so let us start from exercise number 3. Okay, so students, we will start from exercise 3, question number 1. Here we have number 5135 multiplied by 43. Okay, so first of all we will arrange the numbers in vertical columns, and after that we will start the solution. Remember one thing, we already discussed that the number which we want to multiply is called the multiplicand. जिस नंबर को हम मल्टीप्लाई करना चाहते हैं वो मल्टीप्लिकेंट कहलाता है, एंड द नंबर बाय विच वी मल्टीप्लाई द मल्टीप्लिकेंट इज कॉल्ड द मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, जिस नंबर से हमें मल्टीप्लाई करना है इट इज कॉल्ड द मल्टीप्लायर. ओके, so students, we will start our solution from ones place digit of multiplier, and we have to multiply this digit by all these digits one by one from its ones place. Okay, now let us start. So 3 5s are 15, so we will write only 5 here, 1 carry to the next number. 3 3s are 9 and 1 10, 0, 1 carry to the next number. 3 1s are 3 and 1 4, and 3 5s are 50. Okay, now come to the next number. Okay, so here is 4 which is on tens place, so we will start from the tens place and we a 0 on this place. Okay, so 4 5s are 20, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12 plus 2 is 14, then 4 1 carry, 4 1s are 4 1s are 5, and 4 5s are 20. Okay, now let's add both these numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 0 plus 0 is 0, 4 plus 4 is 8, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 carry, 1 plus 1 is 2, and here is 2. Now we will put the commas. So what the result we will get? 2,20,805 is the product of our multiplication. So students, here we have another question from the exercise, and we will solve all the questions of multiplying as same method. Okay, so we will also start this from ones place. Okay, so let us start. 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 7s are 14, so we will write only 4, 1 carry, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 is 3, and 2 3s are 6. Okay, remember one thing, we will write all the digits below the digits, okay, according to their places. Now let us come to the next digit, which is 7. 7 is on the tens place, so we will start from here and we will put a 0 for the tens place. 7 4s are 28, so we will write 8 and 2 is carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 2 is 23, so we will write only 3, 2 is carry. 7 7s are 49 plus 2 is 51, so we will write only 1. Okay, now 5, the next number, 7 1s is 7 plus 5, so it is 12 and 1 carry. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 is 22. Okay, now come to the next digit, which is 3, and it is on the hundred place, so we will start from below this digit, so we will put 2 zeros for the 100. Now let us start. 3 4s are 12, we will write 2, 1 carry, 3 3s are 9 plus 1 10, we will write 0, 1 carry to the next. 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is 22, so we will write 2, and 2 is carry. 3 1s are 3 plus 2 is 5, and 3 3s are 9. Now let's add all these numbers to find the product. Okay, so 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. So we will write only 4 here. 1 is carried to the next number. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write 0. 1 carry. 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 is 5. 6 plus 2 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So we will write only 0 here. 1 is carried to the next number. 5 plus 2 7 and 1 carry 8. Okay, plus 9 plus 2 11. So what is the result we will get? First of all, we will put the commas according to the places. So the product we'll get here is 1 crore 18 lakh 5,048. What is the product? 1 crore 18 lakh 5,048. Now let us solve another question from the exercise. Here we have 4,225 multiplied by 2,085. Here the multiplier is of 4 digits, so we will arrange the numbers in vertical column. Okay, let us start from the ones place. 5 5s are 25, so we will write 5. 2 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. 1 carry. 5 2s are 10 plus 1 is 11. 1 carry. 5 4s are 20 and 1 is 21. Always remember, write the digits below the digits according to the places. Okay, and remember one thing, always leave some space from the margin line for the multiplication. Okay, now come to the next digit, which is 8, and 8 is on the tens place, so we will put a 0 on ones place and we will start from the tens place. So 8 5s are 40, so we will write only 0. 4 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20, so we will write 0. 2 carry. 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18, so we will write 8 here, and 1 carry. 8 4s are 32 plus 1 is 33. Okay, now come to the next number, which is 0. So, and 0 is on the 100 place, so we will put first 0 on these two places, ones and tens, and we will start from 100 place. So 0 multiply 5 is 0. Remember, in our properties we earlier discussed that if we multiply any number from the 0, or 0 will be multiplied by any number, then the product we will get is 0. So 0 5s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 2s are 0, 0 4 0. Now come to the next number. So it is on the 1000 place, so we will put first 0 0 0 on ones, tens and 100 place, and we will start from the 1000 place. 2 5s are 10, so we will write 0. 2 2s are 4 plus 1 carry is 5. 2 2s are 4 and 2 4s are 8. Now let's add all these numbers. Okay, so 5 plus 2 plus 1, 8 1 is 9. 5 plus 3 8 plus 2 is 10, so we will write 0 and 1 will be added to this number. 4 plus 3 is 7 and 1 carry is 8, and next one is 8. So what is the product? We will get 88 lakh 9,125. Now we will put the commas. So this is the product. Now students, here we have a word problem question from the exercise, and the question is Mrs. Batra saves rupees 48,290 rupees every month. So how much money will she have after 2 years? So what is the amount saved by Mrs. Batra every month? 48,290 every month. Okay, and we have to find the amount after the 2 years. So always remember, the word problem question always solved in some steps. Okay, so in first step we will write what the question is saying. So question is saying about the savings of Mrs. Batra. So we will write here amount saved by Mrs. Batra every month, which is 48,290 rupees. Okay. Look at one thing here. Mrs. Batra saves every month a amount, and we have to find the amount after the 2 years. So first of all, we will convert 2 years into the month. So 1 year is equal to 12 months, and so according to this, 2 years after is equal to 12 into 2 is equal to 24 months. Now we have to find the amount after the 24 months. Okay. In second step, what the question is asking about? Question is asking about the amount after the 2 years. So we will write amount she have after 24 months. Now Mrs. Batra saves every month 48,290. So we have to find the amount after the 24 months. So we will multiply 48,290 by the 24. Okay. So first of all, we will arrange in vertical column. Okay. Now it is the multiplication of the amount. So after the 2 years, Mrs. Batra have 11,58,960 rupees. So students, I hope all of you understand the concept very well, and the remaining question will be given by me in your assignment, and all of you have to do it very carefully. Okay. Thank you.